Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you will not miss a future video.
Welcome to the channel, The Tech Piano Player Kid.
A black background with white text that reads The Tech Piano Player Kid displays on the screen with the same text written to the right in Braille. What is up everyone, The Tech Piano Player Kid here. And today I'm going to be showing you how to update your maps for your VictorReader Trek from Humanware. Now the best way I've heard to do this is to remove all the maps including the US, and once that has been done, then you can re-download the ones you want. And I've already done the US because I had to get a new SD card because apparently you cannot use a 64 gigabyte SD card. Why? I don't know, but 32 is the most you can use. I've already tried this, guys, and if you get lucky with it, great, but don't count on it because after a while it may stop working because that's what Humanware told me. So when you get the 32 gigabyte SD card, you put in the SD card, you make it a media error 3, which means it's not formatted to the correct format for the Trek. So you'll have to go to your offline bookshelves by using that little button on the top above the number 2. Press the number 7 key until you hear format SD card. Press the pound key. And it'll ask you, are you sure? And you hit pound key again, and then it will format completed. Once that's done, you should be good to go. And then you can follow along to download these maps from the web browser. The reason why I would download these maps from the web browser is because you can make sure that everything has been downloaded correctly and nothing's missing. You can do it wirelessly from the Trek, but it just takes forever. And it gets pretty annoying. Let's say you want to download a map. Let's say you're going to another country, somewhere in Europe, and you want to download a map for that. So let's go and do that since I already have some maps that I already need from the US.
Finder. Audacity. Safari.
So then it's Safari here in this case.
Safari. Humanware. Home. Low.
And I'm already there. But you go to support.humanware.com. And once you're there, you go to VictorReader Trek. Then you go to download new map packages or something like that. And when you click on that, you'll have a bunch of options here.
Heading my cart. Heading HTTP USA non-contiguous territories maps. Link.
So you have US.
Heading level 2. South America.
South America. Here's
Heading
US
level
again.
2. North America.
Or North America. Sorry, it's North America, not... Yeah.
Heading level 2. South America.
South America.
Heading level 2. Europe.
Here's Europe.
Heading level 2. Middle East and Africa.
Middle East and Africa.
Heading level 2. Oceania.
Oceania.
Heading level 2. 2 items. Call us. Link.
And then
Heading,
we go
heading level
to...
2. North America.
So let's go back to
Heading
Europe.
level 2. Europe. Baltics maps. Link.
So there's Baltics.
Britain maps. Link.
Britain.
Caucasus maps. Link.
I don't know what that is.
Scandinavia maps.
Scandinavia.
Link. North Central Europe maps. Link.
North Central Europe maps. And I think that's it. But if you're not sure, you can go to that one and don't click on it. Just go to the right.
Includes. List 3 items. Bullet Austria. Bullet Germany. Bullet Netherlands.
So it tells you what
3.
it includes there. I don't think you can decide which country you want on there.
North Central Europe maps.
So let's go and download this.
Download has started.
And once that's done, I will be back.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so I have everything downloaded. So now I'm going to plug in the SD card. There we go. And now I'm in my downloads folder.
Finder. Find North Central.2021.3.132.map document.
So it's a long name, some kind of map document, but we want to copy this by doing Command C for the Mac. For Windows users, it's Control C. And then we'll paste it in the SD card directory on the root, which is where all the folders are usually stored, or files if you have no folders in there, by doing Control V for Windows users. And for Mac, it's Command V.
Copy. North Central.202. Close window.
So we'll do...
VRSTREAM volume.
So we're going to open this.
Open. VRSTREAM window.
And I'll do a paste.
Paste item. Copy. Window. Stop progress button.
And now it's copying over.
Stop copy. 136%. Progress. 7%. Finder.
And once again, I'll be back once it's done because it will take a little bit longer.
Later.
Okay, so we're here at the VictorReader Trek. Again, here's a picture. So hopefully you can see that. And what we're going to do is, I have it turned off right now. So, I don't know if it really matters if we turn it on and then plug it in, but I'm going to turn it on and then plug it in, and then it might be easier. I don't know.
Welcome to VictorReader, Volume 12.1. ABC Radio National. Connected to Wi-Fi. Orientation.
Searching
for satellites. Offline bookshelves. No media. Online bookshelves.
Okay.
Internet radio.
So
1.
let's stop that. Okay, so now I'm going to plug in the SD card. And it hasn't detected it yet, so when you go to the orientation mode by pressing that little round button on the top.
Orientation. Examining map on the SD card.
So it says examining maps on the SD card. Now if we get an error message, I'll show you how to fix that for Mac users. It usually happens.
Open area. GPS ready. Explore.
Okay, I had to stop that because it was going to say my location.
Examining map on the SD card. GPS ready.
Yes, I know.
The maps are corrupted.
Okay.
Please try downloading them again.
Okay, so you get that. Now, let's jump over to the computer and I'll tell you why it does this, if it's what I think the problem is. Okay, so we're back at the computer. Now, the reason why it did this, most likely, is because it has these perflog files that it's thinking it's on there. Now, you can't see those. It's like a / something. Now, if it doesn't show it on the Mac, we'll have to go to Windows and see if it's on there. So first of all, let me plug it back in to my SD card adapter. And let's go back to the VR stream.
Finder. VRSTREAM. Open select. $VRDT. Empty trash. Alert.
Yep,
Dialog.
there we're there. So I'm going to empty the trash by doing Command-Shift backspace, hit Enter,
Cancel button.
and there we go. We're good to
Are
go.
you sure? Close window. VRSTREA. Eject.
Eject it.
Sounds. Folder.
Okay. Now everything has been cleared. I ejected the SD card. And let's go and see how it works this time. So we're back at the Trek again. And
Explore.
it is on. So let's go ahead and plug the SD card back in.
Examining map on the SD card.
And we're already in orientation mode. So now it says examining. Takes a little bit.
Maps were found on the SD card.
There we go.
Do you want to install the new maps now? Press confirm to install. Press any other key to cancel.
So we want to confirm, so we'll hit the pound key.
If you want to delete the maps from the SD card after updating, press confirm.
We want to
Press
do that.
any other key to keep them on the SD card.
Uh-oh. So it froze. Ah, why did it do that? So it does this sometimes. I don't know why it does this. So it seems like sometimes it freezes and then, I don't know, it's a security thing. I don't know. So I'm trying to get back on.
Welcome to VictorReader. Orientation. Connected to Wi-Fi. Please examining map on the SD card. Wait. Map updates are available. Press key 7 to access the menu and start the update. Entering open area. GPS explore.
I had to stop that because it was going to say my name, my location. I did not want it to do that.
Maps were found on the SD card. Do you want to install the new maps now?
So yes, we do.
Press confirm to install. Press any other key to cancel.
So we'll confirm.
If you want to delete the maps from the SD card after updating, press confirm. Press any other key to keep them
So
on
we're
the
going to
SD
confirm.
card. Copying maps.
So now it's copying.
Please wait. 2%. Please wait. 7%.
So we'll see how long this takes. This may take a little bit, so I'll just cut that up part out so it won't take so long.
13%.
So I'll be back again. So it's at 92% now. It was. So we'll wait until it's done.
Please wait. 98%.
And
Update successful.
yay.
Shutting down.
So it will shut down. Now the reason why I keep saying map updates are available, it always wants to keep download these Middle East, and I don't want to download that. So if you don't want to download that, you can always go to the maps and unselect them by pushing the diamond-shaped key above the number 3. It will say selected if it is partially selected, and then you hit it again to unselect it, and then you hit pound, and then it will say maps unchanged or maps remove 1, and then you do the same thing. You can also, again, you can just download the maps you want from the Humanware website. It's probably quicker and easier. So yeah, again, 32 gigabytes at the most for the SD card supported on these devices. The least, well, I probably could say 4. I mean, you probably could do 2 gigabytes, but that's not enough. So probably 4 gigabytes is probably what you would want to do. If you want to do more than one map, I would probably go with, I'd probably go with 16 or 32 at least, because these maps can range up to 3 gigabytes of data, which is pretty insane, but I can see why. No pun intended. And I know that was a really bad joke. I'm sorry. So yeah. So let's go back to the computer and we will wrap this up. So that's kind of how you do it with the map updates and stuff. You don't have to do it that way, but I recommend doing it just to make sure everything is on there and it doesn't freeze up or something like that. You can just do a fresh reinstall. That's what I would recommend to do, but you don't have to do that. It does take a little bit more time, but it's a fresh reinstall of the maps so then you make sure everything's on there. So that's it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below or send them to info@TheTechPianoPlayerKid.com. Keep in mind that the email may, I'm not saying it will, it may go in the junk mail folder or spam. It may. You can also give me a call or text me at 913-312-1325. You can also like my Facebook page and follow me there as well. I don't know if you can follow, but you can like my Facebook page at least, The Tech Piano Player Kid, and follow me on Twitter, tech_piano. Everything is down below in the description. And with that in mind, I'll see you all later in the next video. God bless you all and peace. The Tech Piano Player Kid is out. Thank you for watching today's video. Please do not forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and leave a comment down below. If you have any questions, please email info@thetechpianoplayerkid.com. Please also follow my Twitter at tech_piano. A black background with white text that reads "The Tech Piano Player Kid" displays on the screen with the same text written to the right in Braille, then fades to black.